Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well, and in today's video I'm just going to be doing a quick review on this Unde smart brake light for my Fiido D4S. Okay, so I've been using this smart brake light now for quite a while, and this thing is awesome. Like I say, it is a smart brake light, so it does sense when you're actually braking and the light will come on and be intensely bright. So I'll quickly run over some specifications for you on this awesome brake light. So like I say, this is the Unde smart brake light for e-bikes, scooters or normal bikes, whatever you want to put it on. So it's made from a high quality durable aluminium construction. It can be mounted to the bike in two ways, which I will show you in this video. You've got a strap there so you can mount it to a bike seat pole or something like that, but it also comes with this hook system, so you can actually hook it underneath your seat, which is really good. But I much prefer this rubber strap for the seat pole. It has, like I say, a high quality aluminium construction. It is also IP65 waterproof as well, so you have no problems in using this light in the rain. It has a 50 lumen brightness and it is powered by 22 COB red LEDs, which makes this thing extremely bright. As you can see, even in the daylight, this thing is clearly visible. It also has 4 blue LED lights around the center, which shows you your battery status as well as your charging status as well. It also has 3 flashing modes, which I will show you now, but I will also show you in one of the corners how this light performs in the dark. But as you can see, it has 3 flashing statuses, just like so. And it also has a solid function. But like I say, this is a smart brake light, so basically when you're riding your bike and then you touch your brakes or come to a stop, this thing will glow intensely bright, just like a real braking light, which is very, very cool, thanks to its smart sensing system. Speaking about smart sensing system, it also has a smart sense as well, so it will turn itself off in bright daylight, which is really handy, which will stop you from running your battery low if you forget to turn it off. Now I'm highly impressed with this light. It really does do a fantastic job, and it's one of the best lights that I've seen on the market, to be honest. I've tried a few and nothing compares to this one. It just really ticks all of the boxes, and it is only £20. It ranges from £20 to £25, which is a complete bargain for such a high quality light. What I'll do, I will quickly show you how to remove this. Obviously I'm filming, so I've only got one hand, so I will show you in a little video clip in one of the corners, showing you exactly how to remove it and reattaching it with this strap method. And it is very secure. There's no wobble when you're riding. This thing is not going nowhere. Now to charge it, you just literally unscrew it just like so, and then on the back there you've got your charging port, which it comes with a USB charge cable, so you can plug it in, charge it into any USB plug. Now it takes around an hour to an hour and a half to charge, depending on how flat you run these batteries down. It also has a rubber grommet around there as well, so basically once you fully screw this light in place, it then becomes totally sealed and waterproof. Like I say, this thing is awesome. Highly recommend it. Like some of you guys know anyway, this bike has been a lifesaver for me. It really has made a huge difference to my life, and that smart brake light is just something that everyone should really have. The normal flashing lights that you can get are okay, but really you do want something with a smart braking system so it can tell traffic and other riders that you are slowing down. So yeah, I highly recommend this light. I got this light from Banggood, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below to where you can find this light. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.